Hi guys, I just got this strap for my DJI goggles too. Let's see what we have here. We've got this pretty strap and battery holder. And this shorter cable. So this one is original strap from DJI. And it does not have any place for us to hold down our battery. And we have these long cables. It's not ideal, which is really bad because the cable will be in your way when you put your battery in your pocket and you put on your goggles. It's like right here. So I'm gonna change this strap with the one I just got. Here we go. This is my new strap. I really like the design. So cool. And the cable came with this strap. It's shorter for sure. And you just put the battery through this hole. So you can hold down your battery very well. So okay, so it's been like this. And I'm going to put this on. So it's been like this. See? The battery won't fall down. Pretty neat. I like it. Now there's no wire like next to me or in my way. I think it's pretty cool. I love it. I'm gonna use it forever. As long as it's not broken. As long as this strap won't break easily, it's pretty good. And for sure, change your original strap from DJI because it sucks. And then this long cable doesn't really do anything good for you. Alright guys, happy flying!